Hi there, everybody. This is John Drew here from Elevated Planet.
And Jolé Gabrielle here from Elevated Planet, and we'd like to welcome you to our show today. And we have such a treat in store for you, and John is going to tell us some more about it.
Yes, Drunvalo Melchizedek. You may remember him from a couple of the shows we've done. I think we did one in June and one in July that covered some of his work. A very, very interesting man who is here for a very specific purpose on the planet. He was a soul exchange walk-in back in April of 1972. You may have heard the piece where it was discovered why he was brought in. Beings are brought in from higher dimensions to assist the planet undertaking tasks that the indigenous populations of the world could not undertake for themselves. To the elevated planet community now, where we're heading is the meditation side of things, because we've got a lot of information here that we've had today. And I think that this is where Jolé is going to work her magic, sprinkle some of her fairy dust on all these points that have come to the fore. And before we go into the meditation, I just wanted to offer continued healing vibes to Janet. Janet, who is one of our regulars in the community, and she just recently had an operation and she's recovering well. But we want to just send yet more healing vibes to Janet because we love her to bits. She's been a great part of our community. But also to Shanti Shakti Shon, who I mentioned earlier, who was the inspiration for today's shows to get us pointed to Drunvalo. And you know what? I don't think there's any coincidences out there. I think she has a special role to play. But she herself is going through battling her own demons at the moment, and we want to send her all our love, healing, and blessings and strength for that journey that she is on as well. And Jolé, I think the other thing that we wanted to mention was, if anybody has anything in future that you want to us to mention so that it becomes part of the meditation, what do you think, Jolé?
Absolutely. I would say write to us or let us know in the comments if there's someone that you would like to send this loving energy to, so collectively we can do that and help them heal.
Okay, right. So what we're going to do now then is we are going to go to a final little section of video, which is literally about 45 seconds long, which is Drunvalo explaining some of the things we were just talking about. And immediately after that, without hesitation, that is when it will just continue and Jolé will start to work her magic with the guided meditation and visualization.
What we don't know, most people don't know, is that we have another emotional body, and that's connected through the heart. But that emotional body has no polarity to it. And so there is the only place that you can experience what everybody's talking about of unconditional love. We can create from the brain, but we'll get a polarized creation pattern when we do it. We can leave our brain and go into our heart, and we can create from there. And then we get exactly what the intention is.
So put your feet flat on the floor, your palms face up on your thighs, and just begin to breathe with the rhythm of your body. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest, to that place that is a symbol of loving vibrations, compassion, and forgiveness, and command your heartbeat to sync up with your breath. I want you to go ahead and command for all of the blood being pumped out of your heart and throughout your body to turn heart-shaped into the shape of a heart, moving loving, healing, transformative energy throughout the body. Moving out anything that no longer serves you, anything you're ready to let go of and release. As we let the heart do its thing, we bring our awareness to between our sit bones and we ground our energy into Mother Earth. At a resting state, your grounding cord is 6 inches in diameter and connected to your first chakra. As it moves through the crust of the lithosphere and it travels at the speed of love through the ionosphere and roots itself into the core of Mother Earth, bringing you into the present moment, receiving all of her nurturing, loving energy. As those golden rose-shaped scrubbing bubbles mobilize to the blanket, the inside and the outside of your grounding cord, cleaning off the past, the things that no longer serve you, any disease, any illness, anybody else's energy. These golden rose-shaped scrubbing bubbles are bringing you into the present moment and back to your pristine nature. And a place of curiosity and compassion and collective energy and collaboration built on love. So this grounding cord is made of love. All of the little atoms in the cells are heart-shaped, connecting you to the frequency and the vibration of the loving energy of Mother Earth. As you let that take place and bring your awareness into the center of your head, and here, you're going to open your crown and allow for 85% cosmic gold from the heavens to cascade down into the crown and saturating your skull and your brain. But let's get into the science of it so the left brain can relax and allow for the right brain to do what it does. In between the skull and the brain are 3 layers of tissue, and we make sure that gold light hits the dura mater, which is the outer layer of that tissue, and the inner is the arachnoid, the middle layer. See that gold light light up all of that web-like structure in the center, as well as reaching the pia mater, which is the closest to the skull. And you see that gold light work its way through the tissue and into the brain and into the folds and into the synapses, the neurons, reprogramming you to default to the messages from the heart as that loving vibration that your blood has turned into is moving and integrating with that gold light. Let that take place as you begin to open the bottoms of your feet like you would the lens of a camera, calling in 15% earth energy of a color that resonates with you, pooling in the bottoms of your feet, taking on that love that your blood is giving, that frequency, that electricity, that vibration of love as Mother Earth takes in that command and travels up the side channels of your legs, mixing in with that beautiful, beautiful energy that is you as that gold light begins to cascade down your spine, lighting up each vertebra, animating those nerves, working out any blockages, anything you're ready to let go of and release, moving down and meeting that earth energy in the first chakra as it then begins to fill you up like water fills up a cup. Mixing in with the earth energy in the feet as it comes up, moving throughout your body, all the ligaments, the muscles, the cells, the bones, moving up, up, up into your hips. All of this love is moving out. And as it begins to move up and into your heart opens and this begins to sprout out into your aura layer, lighting it up, resolving and dissolving any traumas from the past as it moves throughout your aura layer, fixing any holes, any rips, any tears, getting rid of anyone else's energy, giving it back to them, calling all of your energy back as this essence moves out and up and meeting with that beautiful earth energy, 15%, and that cosmic gold life force energy, 85%, as it's sprouting out of your feet, hands, and crown chakras, filling up your aura layer. As you take a deep breath in and exhale, as I gently remind you, you are grounded and rooted into Mother Earth with the grounding cord, which at its resting state is 6 inches in diameter. It is blanketed with golden rose-shaped scrubbing bubbles, cleaning off all negative energy. Your aura is now 1.5 feet around you, lit up with that energy from Mother Earth and Cosmic Divine, sprouting out your feet, hands, and crown chakra, as your higher self is standing at a position of power, at a comfortable distance above your head, receiving all of these divine messages of love, as it then connects to your toroidal field, which is moving out into the universe, bringing loving vibrations, helping to elevate the planet as that is locked into a pyramid directly above with a capstone, which then connects to all of the ley lines and the energy of Mother Earth, as you are safe and divinely protected and connected to Mother Earth, to your environment, and to the highest part of you, as a beautiful white light then begins to laser beam down from the heavens through Mother Earth, through that capstone, down through that pyramid, lighting up and fortifying that toroidal field that's filled with your unique DNA and your energy, as it then moves down through the toroidal field, through your higher self, moving through that beautiful golden oil, that 85% that's cascading down already, down through your crown, through the center of your head, down through your spine, down through your grounding cord, and into the core of Mother Earth. As those golden rose-shaped scrubbing bubbles fall away, and that white light extends and expands, becoming one with your grounding cord. And all that love from Mother Earth, from you, from the divine, working in tandem to help you illuminate mankind, elevate your frequency and vibration, and move you into a place of unspeakable beauty. Let all of this love and light encompass you, encompass all your cells that are love. And now see those loving cells that are your body connect, and they turn into the infinity symbol. Little love cups on either side, letting you know that you are infinite and you are connected to that infinite energy of loving creation. As you sit in the center of your chest and you allow for Mother Earth, the divine, and your uniqueness to resonate throughout this dimension with love. Take a deep breath in. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Exhale. And allow that love to expand, especially in the back of you. Let that light encompass you, surround you, and let those loving vibrations reverberate throughout your environment as this love continues to cycle. Take a deep breath in, exhale, continue to breathe with the rhythm of your body. And I want you to visualize the bottoms of your feet closing like the lens of a camera, just like your hands are gently closing like the lens of a camera, and your crown is gently closing like the lens of a camera as that gold light recedes, but that white light remains. The gold light recedes as Mother Earth energy recedes back down. And as your aura layer locks in to the higher self, the toroidal field, the pyramid, the white light, and your astral body is snapped in, feet in feet, knees in knees, hips in hips, hands in hands, elbows in elbows, shoulders in shoulders, and head in head. As you take a deep breath in and you allow for this energy to settle. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes.